in your life? Is it like you're
It could be.
overanalyzing
I
yourself?
mean, honestly, like there's so many circumstances that for me that relate to this situation, but like I know that for me, when I'm inside myself, when I'm in my own head, it gets this place right here, this skull between my ears. That is a bad neighborhood, and I should not be in there alone. I can't be in there by
What
myself.
are you talking about? It's just
It's
you're
insane.
crazy, man.
It's crazy in here. This is a bad place for me to be by myself.
As you have seen the video of Chester speaking something in the interview saying that he don't wanted to be in his mind alone. He wanted someone to be there with him. But the reality is that if you keep your mind empty, you know who's going to enter your mind. People say yoga will free your mind. People say this would free your mind. This pill you take, it will free your mind. This drug you take, it will free your mind. But the reality is, if it frees your mind, it only makes someone else to get you inside your mind. And that's only Satan. Well, I got an idea for a new artwork. Let's begin it. So I started cutting off my old photograph. I had this idea a long time ago, and yeah, after I cut it, I just set it properly using the crop tool because I don't want most of the parts of this photo. And then I took my next photograph, cut that too because I wanted to set it at Satan, cut it, set it properly. You know, cutting took a long time actually, but I'm not showing that in the full video. And I took a ladder from PNG items and I set it. You know, it took me a long time actually to set the ladder properly because I was not so confirm of how to set the ladder properly because actually I wasn't having any idea of creating what I wanted to create with this photograph. It was a blank in my mind. Yup. I was just so exhausted doing this ladder part. I couldn't cut the video, then it will be something else. So I just set it properly. Somehow I set it. It took me a long time. So then when I set it properly, I was satisfied as always. And then I decided to set my leg properly on the ladder, and also I decided to set the hand part properly, correctly holding the ladder. I thought this would be a cool idea. Maybe it would be. I don't know. I'll just check it out. How it look? I don't know properly, but I'll just check it out. It took me some time using the eraser tool to manage everything properly with the wrap tool, and yeah, it took me some time to manage the whole leg properly because you know it's going to be sitting, and actually I didn't want the leg also, the whole body I didn't want. But to set something perfectly, you need something perfect. I also set my hand properly, but it's little bit mess that how I set it, so I didn't show you in the video. Maybe you forgive me for that, but it's okay because I think that part is not to be revealed. And let's continue. I also cleaned my face because my face had little bit pimples mark, and I cleaned it little bit properly using the patch tool. Oh my god, I forgot to cut my chin properly. Ooh, my beard also didn't have a proper shape. This part was really a horrific thing. It was really pain. I didn't cut it properly, so I thought to just set it out properly again. Maybe this part, I'd be so angry of myself. Then we finished. Somehow I finished that part. And as I finished, I did some more things. I found an old cassette tape recorder, I actually wanted to add some more hair on my head to show that the tape recorder is sitting on the head. So I added some hair using the brush tool. Then I got a cassette from PNG items and I just wanted to set this on the Satan's back because to show that Satan is carrying a cassette and he's going to put it inside the old tape recorder. And what I did is first I wrote with typing tool, T tool, type tool. I wrote 666 and the other things I wrote it using the brush tool. So that took me a little time. So meet you after some time. After I've put it properly on the back of myself, that which I'm going to convert it into Satan. So I thought, why don't Satan have a suit that is connected with the black color suit? So I found this cool guy, dashing guy from the internet. And you know, internet has everything. So these days you can go inside, browse it, get it. So I found this dashing guy. I thought to steal his suit. So it took me some time. I'm just putting it to fast forward so you can see it in a speed art. Posing the video in between, having less subscribers, no one sponsors a poor little artist. But I would like to share something of a new growing company. If you are a student and you are struggling searching for a brighter college after you do your 12th or 11th and you're struggling for a brighter college and you are confused, here's an opportunity for you. Future Lift Education. Future Lift is an education company and here you can get your career related stuffs. Like it is a platform with faculty for all students, for career counseling, for admission in right colleges, with many more scholarships for students. If you're a student and really need some opportunity, here is your opportunity. Go and don't waste your opportunity. Take this time, go to the link in the description and subscribe to the channel. Future Lift is a platform that could help every student. So every of my viewers and every person who watch my videos can go and check out for further more details. Let's go back to the video. It took me a rough time and I finished creating the full suit. And what I thought to do is to give Satan little bit horns, but no one really knows how Satan's look is. So I just thought to give him a little bit of horns and then set exactly everything properly. And Then I also thought to give a little bit of dramatic scene, like he's not sitting in the earth, he's sitting in somewhere in his own imagination. So I put some cloud behind and gave a little bit of blur in the background, and I added some more PNG clouds in the front to just give a little bit feel that he is in his own imagination. And what I did is, like I always do, camera raw filter, and I have a bunch of already reused or saved presets. So if you really wanted these presets, all you got to do is subscribe to my channel and you would get it for free, because I'm going to keep it in my link in the description where you can get it. As soon as I start to get a proper subscribers, I would be presenting all the presets in the link below. Finally, I was satisfied with this camera raw filter, and from 0% to something awesome. Actually, I didn't have anything in my mind what to create. I just made it. From the small interview that Chester gave, I just made my Christian art. So folks, this was the video I wanted to share. It's been a long time. I was a little bit things going on, but it doesn't matter. And yeah, before I say rest in peace Chester, I just wanted to say you one thing, that what Chester did in his life was totally worst. He took his life by committing suicide. Most of the time that people say that they wanted this brain to be empty, but the real fact is that when you leave your brain empty, when you leave your mind empty, Satan invites and he does things that you don't want to do. He possesses you and he makes you to think something negative. I mean, I've been through this already. I've been through this and I'm being through this many of my times in my life. Things come like suicide in brain, because he always gives you a second option to do what you should not do, and that's really worst. Maybe you may end up like Chester, but you are a Christian. You don't need to be ending up like Chester. You need to be focusing on the Lord Jesus Christ and praying to Him that, Lord, I'm stuck up in this point. I don't know what to do. In this point, just help me out. Maybe this prayer could not be so suitable. Maybe you can pray it in your own style. Like, God, help me out in this point. In your own style. I'm not a preacher. I'm not a pastor. I'm just an editor who speaks the truth. Maybe, sometimes things make me do something, go crazy and all this, but I just want to say you that, guys, if you are ending up leaving your mind empty, you're just holding up Satan inside your mind. He's just showing you all the worldly things, and at the end, he's just showing you death. So move off from that part. Don't be like Chester. I know he is personally my favorite singer, but don't be like Chester. At the end, don't be like Chester. Don't give your soul to Satan. He's just going to rip it up, put it in the fiery furnace.